Welcome to my food channel. It's your girl Betty, where you can find inspiration for low carb and keto friendly meals, healthy nutrition, easy recipes. Yeah, y'all, it's carblessly delicious. It's loaded with color, flavor, and nutrition. Yes, everything that your body needs. Carrots and bell peppers. Not only are bell peppers tasty, but they contain antioxidants, which boost your immune system. Yes, honey, in Betty's Kitchen, we're eating with purpose. Purpose to do your body good. So, if you want to know how it all comes together, I invite you to keep on watching. Okay, fam, let's get started. Let me show you how quick and simple this is. We're going to shred in thin slices our carrots, onions, green peppers. I added sausage to mine, but that is totally optional. We're also going to slice our cabbage in thin strips as well, because that's the look we're going for. Along with our shredded carrot, which you can buy already purchased, shredded like this. Go ahead and add everything into your skillet, and just look how beautiful and colorful and tasty. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and let that simmer for a while until it gets tender. Don't overcook your cabbage now. You just want a little crisp. Go ahead and let that simmer, and here you have it. Quick and simple, baby. And this wraps up the video, y'all. Thank you for watching, all my lovely people. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Show your girl some love. Also, subscribe and turn on the notification bell if this is your first time watching one of my videos, so you could be notified every time I upload tasty inspirations like this. And for those returning, I appreciate you so much for your continued support for this channel. It's because of you all that I am inspired to create videos like this, so we can all journey together to healthier lifestyles. And I invite you to visit my website, carblesslydelicious.com, for more recipes like this. Until next time, my lovely people, God bless you.